it's about that time. Go ahead and peel the plastic dip off all these wheels. This one the only one that's really started peeling, but I'll go ahead and take it all off. Alright, if the footage look different, it's because I'm filming in wide and not super view right now. Got all the plastic dip off. Car looks way better to me, honestly. Engine bay is clean. This car is actually not bad at all. I do need some work though. Sheesh. FDRX7 just came and stunned it on me real quick. All right. So put my old spark plugs back in. I asked where should I gap them on Facebook and like one of the Facebook groups, and everybody that commented was like, yeah, just go ahead and return those, don't use them. Everybody was hating on the auto lights, so took them out, put the box ones back in there. They work perfectly fine, so I'm gonna leave them in there for now. I do need to go to a colder spark plug, but if the car's running fine how it is, then we're gonna keep running it. But as of right now, since I got the cowl and all that crap off, what I want to go ahead and do is fix my heating issues. So looking at these hoses, this top one I can disconnect it from right here, and then this bottom one I can't get to it because of the AC stuff is right here in the way. So I was looking at it, and it's this hose right here that goes to the bottom of this part on the radiator. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it from here, pull it off, and I'm gonna pop this one up here off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water through there, and hopefully it cleans it out. But you want to make sure you have both sides disconnected when you do it. So I'm gonna probably spray water in it first, get it to drain all that nasty crap out, whatever's in there, and then I'm gonna blow air through it, and then go ahead and connect it back in, delete the system and all of that. And the battery on the hatch is dead, so I got it over here charging. Hopefully it's not completely dead and it's still usable. I like literally just bought that battery last year. Alright, so I got them both disconnected. What's this called? I feel like water may be harder to use. I don't know. We're gonna see, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how well y'all can see, but cut the water on lightly. Still seem like decent pressure, honestly. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like dirty crap up in here. Like freaking sand and rocks and stuff. Does not seem to be coming out. Let me see. I see a little bit like dripping out right now, but that's clearly not gonna be enough to flush it. I'm trying to see, I don't want to like start spraying all up on this stuff. Also trying not to spray the car because I just washed it like 2 days ago. There we go. That wasn't too bad. I'm seeing clear water now, but I'm gonna keep going. I didn't like actually see anything come out. I don't actually have coolant in here right now. I only have water and water wetter, or like super coolant, so it's not like real coolant. So that's why I'm like just letting it all run down the driveway right now. Take this here, point it towards the wheel well. So it can just drain down there. Alright, how am I gonna do this? Alright, let me figure this out and then I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so I got different nozzle on here. As you can see, it's got that little bitty opening. It is supposed to be another part on here, but I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna try to just get it flush onto there and then cut the water on. But it's not really much space, as you can see, so we're gonna see how that works out. Okay, somehow I was actually able to put it underneath right here, get it onto there. I don't know if that's on there good enough, but it's closed, so I can actually go cut the water on and then open it while it's on there. Alright, got the water on low key. I think I might have cut it on too high. I can see it coming out of that end too. Look like it's already clear, to be honest. Get some good pressure going through there. And hopefully whatever's blocking the heater core, this will free it up. Alright, so I ran a good amount of water through there. I don't really know what else I can do other than that, because I couldn't find the thing for the air compressor. So honestly, I would think that would be enough, but really have no idea. I'm gonna go ahead and see what happens. Alright, so I just finished bleeding the coolant. Just started the car probably 1 minute ago, literally. I already feel that it's warmer than it was getting before. I feel like this vent right here is still not, well, it's warmer than it was before, that's for sure. Yeah, honestly, it's getting warm already. And it was not doing that at first. Still, it feel like this side is not getting as warm as this side, but it's at least getting warm now. So I don't know, that's a plus. It's definitely better. So I'm gonna let the car idle for just a couple of minutes, keep the heater on full blast. Normally, if I even have the heater on before the car's warm, these vents don't get warm at all. Like, if I have the heater on, they only get warm if I have the heater off and the car is like all the way warm, like cooling at like 220 degrees, and then I cut it on, then it'll be hot out of these vents just for like a couple of minutes. And once I start driving around, then it'll be cold again. So for it to already be getting warm right now, I think that flush did help. I don't know if it's gonna work completely, but it for sure helped.